Now, your Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Well, as we head through the day, we're going to be looking at temperatures, generally speaking, on the cold side, but the wind on the very cold side, especially considering it's April 1st. And again, this is just one of those days you had to kind of expect it. Easter, April Fool's Day hitting the same day. It was just almost like it was written out for us. It was going to be one of these kind of days. Snow moves into the area later on this afternoon. Now, it may not snow everywhere, but it certainly will be cold enough to everywhere. And then we look for some rain showers moving into the area tomorrow night and into Tuesday morning. Taking a look at some of that snow falling across mainly southern Nebraska right now, but some of it crossing over into some of our northern counties, primarily southern Washington, most of Marshall, and now a large part of Nemaha County into northern Brown County, getting some light snow showers. Not yet the accumulating round of snow for the northern counties, but that may take place during the course of the afternoon or late in morning, early after this 1 o'clock, so lunchtime. We're starting to get snow persistently falling across the northern counties at that point, and then it drops southward. Another kind of round of it develops and then very quickly pushes to the east. But in that window of time, it could be a burst of some heavier snow before it slides to the east. And then we stay with cloudy skies much of the day tomorrow, maybe even a few sprinkles tomorrow afternoon. Then another front comes in tomorrow night into Tuesday morning with another rain chance. Now, today it is not going to be rain. It's just a snow chance, and that would be for the northern and northeastern counties, getting 1 to maybe a few spots, especially near the state line, 2 to 3 inches of snow, and then a dusting farther to the south where that burst happens. It's going to have to battle against two things. First of all, a short period of time that it'll snow, but also middle of the afternoon, even though it's cloudy, the sun's coming through the cloud cover, and some of that will still work to melt things away. It's a difficult time of day to get much accumulation, but maybe a dusting with some of that second afternoon round of snow that develops. Quiet in Manhattan, no flakes coming down at this point. We are looking at 30 degrees in Topeka, north-northeast winds at 13 miles per hour. A cold start to the day with 25 at Concordia, 25 at Marysville, 22 at Hiawatha, and 31 at Forbes Field, as well as at Emporia. Tacking on that 12 to as high as 22 mile per hour north-northeast wind. It's giving us wind chills into the teens and lower 20s right now. A definite chill is in the air for this morning. And when you look at the wind chills throughout the day, generally speaking, holding into the teens. So a cold day. Highs only up to about 35. Some snow, especially north first and then central and east during the afternoon, followed by a high temperature tomorrow of 50. So today, cold, 60% chance of that snow, especially north, and then 50 for your high tomorrow. Another front coming in with a chance for some rain as we head into early Tuesday morning. We warm up into Thursday, another chance for perhaps rain or snow on Friday. So kind of an active up and down week, kind of typical of early spring. It's just colder than typical. Despite that, what may not feel exactly like it, we still want to get you geared up for the upcoming storm season. We've got several weather radio programming events coming up in the days ahead. If you'll be in Marysville on Wednesday or anywhere nearby, come by and see us. We'll be at the Orscheln Farm and Home helping you get your weather radios program. That'll be from 4 to 6:30, and you can see Junction City, Topeka, and Manhattan dates coming up through the first half of April. We'll be talking about more of those as they get closer, but again, this coming Wednesday, we will be in Marysville. So come out and see us and perhaps get your weather radios ready for the storm season. Hard to believe we're talking about storms because today it's just a chance of snow.